Very good morning to all our listeners. Compared to the economic data calendar yesterday, which was relatively quiet, we are bombarded with data out of the US this morning. 8:30 New York Times sees the release of the CPI's advanced retail sales and Empire Manufacturing. Taking a closer look at the advanced retail sales today, all analysts surveyed are expecting a fall from the March reading of plus 0.8%, consensus for a reading of plus 0.1%, but we do have a rather large range, however, at the low minus 0.3% to a high in the range of plus 0.7%, but as noted, all analysts there going for a lower than the March reading. In terms of factors driving that decision, there is something to be aware of in terms of the unseasonably warm weather, which is seen to have boosted the March reading to that plus 0.8%, and the cooler temperatures in April going to factor into the slightly lower reading expected. Also, I think one thing to be aware of is the general fall in gasoline prices, which is due to affect the headline advanced retail sales data. Take a look at the X numbers to get a clue in terms of how much that has affected the reading. Elsewhere, in terms of the Empire Manufacturing data, the regional surveys all underperformed the national ISM reading last month, so we are expecting a slight pickup in these regional surveys, so Empire Manufacturing also a number to look out for. In terms of the CPIs, they're expected to match the slight fall against the expectation we had for the PPIs at the back end of last week. Energy prices also one thing to be factoring in for the CPI reading. Otherwise, we are expecting a market pickup in volume today compared to the very quiet day we had yesterday, but I hope you have a good trading day. Thank you very much.